The incredible. It's not just an adjective. It's an action, a process, an evolution. The incredible emerges in an endless wave of becoming. Like the creation of this ultra-clean, smooth, and delicious Russian standard vodka. A true story of jaw-dropping complexity, converging nature and science, craft and technology, history and revolution. It looks so simple, but a single drop contains multitudes, reflecting a spectacular web of interconnections that began in the last ice age. Back then, near where St. Petersburg now stands, a gigantic glacier covered the Earth. Over thousands of years, it carved its way through solid rock, creating a vast lake, Lake Ladoga, a hard granite basin full of clear glacial water. It's perfect water for making vodka. But to make incredible vodka, you also need nature's finest wheat, grown in the rich black soil of the Russian steppe, matured for flavor in winter, Russian winter, real winter. Only the highest quality grain is used to make Russian standard. When you smell it, you still get a hint of fresh baked bread. Okay, let's jump from these simple ingredients to 19th century St. Petersburg to meet Dmitry Mendeleev, the most brilliant scientist of his time. He invented the periodic table and has a crater on the moon named after him. But Mendeleev also proved the scientific principle that a ratio of 5:1 is the perfect balance of water and alcohol to make vodka smoother. In 1894, his discovery was adopted and written into Russian law by Tsar Alexander III and called the Russian Standard. Fast forward 90 years, all the ingredients are potentially in place when, boom, perestroika! The planets align and a dynamic new Russia is born. Here was a unique opportunity for a man with vision to bring all the elements together, to dedicate his life to perfecting the liquid, converging the genius of science and the purity of nature in one of the most technologically advanced distilleries that's ever been built. Where else but in St. Petersburg, near some of the best vodka water in the world? A distillery run by some of Russia's most brilliant vodka scientists, inspired by Mendeleev's principles, meticulously pushing the boundaries of vodka making, using over 200 distillations and exceptional filtration and relaxation processes, creating vodka that's smooth, perfectly balanced, and 100 times purer than required by EU law. A complex web of interconnections, converging unrestrained nature and cutting-edge technology, time-lapsed and condensed into a single moment, pure pleasure. Russian Standard transcends all expectations, bursting forth the incredible, ultra-clean, smooth, and delicious. This is vodka as it should be.